Hey everybody, it's Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and I wanted to pop in a minute and let you know that our 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit that we had a very limited supply of those. We had those with the Doodles and Dashes collection, and it was so popular that what we did is we went back for the August collection, and which was the Peach Ridge collection, and the June collection, which was the My Escape. And we were able to put together a few scrapbooking kits with those as well. So we went ahead and we made some beautiful pattern papers, the 12 by 12 size to go with those, and we put together a few scrapbooking kits. And I thought I'd take a minute to pop in and just give you a little look at what would be in those kits, as well as a look at the papers. And remember that the aside from the papers, every kit does have the papers. The other items will be assorted. I mean, you're generally going to get an alpha, you'll get some die cuts. It won't necessarily be the ones that I have pictured, but it will be, this is a good representation of what you'll get in each kit. So I'm gonna hop on, excuse me while I adjust it, there we go. I'm gonna make that shake. This one is this is the My Escape collection. So this is the scrapbooking kit using the My Escape collection. So and there's so much in these kits. And it's really fun. It's a little bit of a grab bag, but like I said, you'll get, there's a beautiful washi tape in there, and it says rest, relax, read, repeat, sunshine. So that's just a nice general washi tape. And this is a good one if you have any sort of traveling coming up, if you're gonna do any sort of scrapbooking of trips that you've already taken, this is a good one for that. Some glitter dots. There's a set of 3, and I'm not going to unpackage everything. I'm just going to kind of quick show you. There's a set of 3 of the extra oversized tags. There's some die cuts and the cute little tag die cuts. So you get 2 sets in here. And then this is the vellum words that spell out adventure. And I love going back to this. It's like, I remember why I loved this kit so much. It's a couple of sets of stickers in here, a note card, some chipboard, a sheet of rub-ons. Ooh, there's some overlays and vellum. That beautiful vellum. Wouldn't it be pretty to tuck that behind a photograph? Or make it a page in a mini album? Would be really pretty. There's an alpha. I'm gonna try and hold all of this. Another sheet of vellum with the gold foil on it. And an overlay. Again, this would make a pretty cover on a mini album. And then, so those are all the goodies you get. And remember, some of these will be assorted. This isn't the exact specific ones in every kit. It's just a good representation of what you'll find. And then here are the beautiful papers. Now the papers, you get 12 sheets of paper. And if you can either get the full kit, and you'll get the 12 sheets of paper, or we do have just the paper for sale as well. And there'll be 12 sheets in that pack too. So you can either get just the paper or the whole scrapbooking kit. So I'm going to just show you these a minute. Isn't that beautiful? That fun stripe. And this one, I love having this as a 12 by 12. So pretty. And that. Stripe. And remember, you get 12 sheets, so you get 2 of every pattern. That way you don't have to try and choose between the A side and the B side. You'll get all of them. So you get all of those, and then you get all of these other goodies, and this is the My Escape scrapbooking kit. And you can find these in the Daisy store under limited edition kits, or I take that back. We have actually a new section in the Daisy store called scrapbooking kits and paper. So you can find it in there. So this is, as I said, this is from the My Escape. I'm going to show you the Peach Ridge real quick too. And the same idea with the Peach Ridge. The Peach Ridge, you can get the full kit or you can get just the papers. It when I put it back in. Let me turn that around. Oh, that paper is so pretty. So there's a couple sheets of stickers, and this one is fun because it has the cute little borders. You could layer those under a photo or strips of pattern paper. So you have that. There's a couple of adhesive backed embroidery patches. Some more of those great oversized tags, and there's 3 in here. And then there's a kind of a script alpha, a puffy alpha, set of chipboard, this quilt-like, it's kind of a quilt pattern, was the thought behind that washi tape. And then a couple of sets of die cuts. And then this is actually a sheet, it just looks like a plain sheet, but it's actually a sheet of scallops. So it's similar to this little sheet that I just showed you at the beginning that has the little scallop stickers. It's just that the waist hasn't been taken away. So there's different size scallops, and they're long border ones. So again, you could use that to border photographs, strips of pattern paper, layer them in with strips of pattern paper would be pretty. Sheet of vellum, an overlay, and a couple of the smaller sheets of the planner paper. And then, let me set that aside, and I'm going to go through and show you the beautiful papers. And again, just like the My Escape collection, you can get this as the full kit or you can order just the papers. And there's 12 sheets of paper in here. That one, those gorgeous hexagons. Pretty stripe, a nice plaid and a floral. I love this wood grain one. And then that petite floral was one of my favorites as well. And then this is a different peach than this one. So you can see the difference in size. So one is a little bit more petite, has a blue background, and this one has the white background. So let me show you the other side of that. And so again, you can see they're double-sided, and you get 2 of each pattern. Aren't they beautiful? So that is a little peek at, and again, I wasn't going to take everything out. You can see it in the listing, but I just wanted to take a minute to jump in and show you that we do have those in the store. And they're just going to be in the store, so you can order them just till they run out. We have a few, and we may continue to do this going forward because I love the 12 by 12 papers. So if you get a chance, go check those out. Again, they are in the Daisy store under the scrapbooking kits and papers section. And this was the Peach Ridge and the My Escape.